Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on Alcatel 1B. First, power your phone completely off. Now, after that, flip it and find right here the notch to open the back side. With the help of your finger, you can open the back of your phone. Okay. Now we need to navigate to the SIM card right here. As you can see, you can have two of them, so you need to check which one do you have, and then just slide it back outside. It is a little tricky. Okay. And now take a microfiber and brush this gold side, but very carefully, so you won't scratch anything. After that, try reinserting the SIM card. You can look at this picture right here, so it will show you how the SIM card should be applied with the cut edge to the top right corner. Very carefully insert it and slide. Now take the back cover, put it back on your phone and push till you hear a click. After that, you can power your phone on. Now unlock your phone and it should work as normal. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.